8 days. Bite, pour stone, then chip it in waves. Snail mail molds, they'd break or dry. By the time it got there, margins went bye-bye. But now we scan, click and send. Digital tools became our friend. We bridge the gap, no time to lose. From clinic chair to lab smart views. Scanners beam, no trace to snap. Accuracy high and no mishap. We bridge the gap, we streamline flow. Dentist and tech now in the know. It starts with a scan, intraoral scene, capturing arches in shades of green. No goop, no gag, just a wand that glides, stitching your smile with digital pride. Cat maps the crown, Chem mills it tight. 3D printing makes it all take flight. Splints, dentures, models too, printed layers in shades so true. From zirconia blocks to resin trays, the future's here, no delay. We bridge the gap with speed and care. Techs get the data clean and rare. Margins crisp, occlusion right, and fit that feels like pure delight. No second tries, no waste to cast, just precision built to last. We upload files and annotate names. Screen share live with the lab team pros. Zoom and scan, and everybody knows. Duolingo relief, adjust the flare. Copy the temp, I scan right there. Now techs aren't far, they're just one click. AI and software doing the trick. Designs approved while patient waits. Temporary printed at lightning rates. Implant guides, ortho trays. Digital workflows blaze new ways. From full arches to inlays fine. It's a new era, right on time. This is part of Dr. Jany lecture. So let's bridge the gap with unity. Dentist tech gives full synergy. With scanners, printers, brains, and chat, we build restorations, tip of the hat. This is the song of precision and trust. In digital we rise, adapt we must.